Oh hey, sorry, I was just sending some messages. Have you ever been part of a group chat with your lab mates, some friends, or maybe a student organization that just had the worst etiquette possible? This is usually due to one of two different types of people, the overtexters or the undertexters. The overtexters are those that are sending way too many messages in a row to the group. By the time you look at your phone, you have so many messages that you don't even have the desire to go back and read what all that you missed. Think about this. If you struggle as an overtexter, is this something that is valuable to the whole group? Is this going to help us accomplish the task that we've signed up for? If not, maybe I shouldn't send it, or maybe if it's things that should be sent on a one-on-one basis, that I send those to the individuals that they should go to anyway. Do not clog up the whole group chat by being an overtexter. Now, in this similar idea, I want to remind everybody that it's never okay to send inappropriate things in a group text. Really, you shouldn't send inappropriate things at all, but remember that inappropriate memes, videos, GIFs, anything that could be taken out of context, even if you think it's really funny, is never appropriate for this setting. Keep in mind, everything that you send speaks. Everything, always. People are going to see that, and that could negatively impact your future ability to succeed in the group. This could also impact your ability to be successful outside of the group in your future career. You don't want things that are inappropriate to be clogging up a group chat, and if you're ever in doubt, just don't send it. Now, on the other hand, we have the undertexters. These are the ones that never respond to the group. You might really need some information from them or their help with a project, but you don't hear back from them, maybe for days, weeks at a time. Eventually, you're wondering, is this person even okay? Should I send help to them? Don't be an undertexter. If you see things come through the group and you don't have the time to really address it at that moment, make sure to come back and scroll through later. Make sure that your input is being given because your input really matters in these group settings. Don't be an undertexter. Make sure you're responding to these messages and that you're part of the group. Best thing to keep in mind of is when you're texting, keep it concise. Ask specific questions for the relevance of the group and make sure that you're responding to your lab mates, your group mates, or your friends in a timely manner. You want to make sure that you're sending the information that is very important to the group, you're not clogging it up by being an overtexter, and you are contributing and not being an undertexter. So just remember some of these tips and how to be a better group member with your lab mates, with your friends, with your student organizations. Anytime you're in a group chat, think of these tips and don't be an overtexter and don't be an undertexter.